Hi, this is Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we're working on the January 2017 Algebra 1 Common Core Regents. If you want to access these exams anywhere in the world, go to nysedregents.org and click on the appropriate link. All right, let's get started. Here's problem 14. A computer application generates a sequence of musical notes using the function f of n equals 6 times 16 to the n, where n is the number of the notes in the sequence and f of n is the note frequency in hertz. Which function will generate the same note sequence as f of n? All right, number one, g of n equals 12 times 2 to the 4n. H of n equals 6 times 2 to the 4n. P of n equals 12 times 4 to the 2n. Or K of n equals 6 times 8 to the 2n. Okay, definitely try the problem on your own. See if you can get the same answer as we do. If you do, definitely hit the like button. And, of course, subscribe, which helps you out and helps us out as well. This is one of those examples where I suggested, don't try to think of the method you always have to use to solve this kind of question, the standard method. There's a lot of methods to solve this question. Method one is going to be graphing. Okay, now I'm going to choose one of the functions that I know to be wrong to show you what happens if the answer is right, if the answer is wrong. So the f of n is equal to 6 times 16 to the x. So I can graph 6 times 16 to the power of x. And then if I graph this is what it looks like using the standard. Okay, which doesn't tell me much, but let's hold on to that for a moment. I'm going to choose one that I happen to know is incorrect. Number 4, K of n equals 6 times 8. Oh, hold on. Let me zoom in first. I'm going to do zoom fit. Okay. So now let's see what this gives us. So it's flat, flat, flat. And then near the end, bloop, and that's what the function looks like if you zoom out. Who knows how high this is? But I'm going to choose this last one. K of n equals 6 times 8 to the 2n. Now, if that one is the same, then we should expect that the graph looks exactly the same to the power of 2x. And if the graph looks different, then the answer is incorrect. Okay, I'm going to graph this. Let's see. Okay, that function blew up over here a little bit early. So that is not the answer. And in fact, only one of these answers is going to match this graph. Okay, so let's see if we can now do this algebraically. So the two algebraically. Okay, so let's see. 6 times, so f of n is equal to 6 times 16 to the power of n. We know that 16 has to be to the power of n no matter what the answer is. The problem with this one is that 8 is to the power of 2n, which is actually 64. So it's by the power rule. So 8 to the power of 2n is equal to 8 to the second to the power of n. Okay, so that, which is equal to 64 to the n, not 16. So how about number 4? 4 to the second is 16. Okay, 2 to the fourth is 16. 2 to the fourth is 16. So each of those, number 1, 2, and 3, all have 16 to the n. This is equal to 16 to the n. This is equal to 16 to the n. This is equal to 16 to the n. Okay, so then the coefficient then has to match for the functions to be equal. And which one has a coefficient of 6? That's this one. Okay? Hey, thanks for watching. If you're watching from one of our playlists, hit the fast forward button to start the next video right now. If not, go to youtube.com, search for JuanTutors.com, click on the name, and definitely hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell if you want to receive notifications when we post new videos, and scroll to the bottom. All of our playlists are going to be right at the bottom. Just click on the appropriate playlist and play all the videos from there. And if you feel like you need a little extra boost with tutoring, go to our website, check out our testimonials, and if you feel like we're right for you, you can click on the Contact Us link and contact us straight from the page. Thanks for watching.